Okay, and now for question 2 on our pretest. Here we're just finding the derivative. I have the derivative of this trigonometric function, cosine of 2x times 3 sine squared 2x. Now notice you could bring that 3 to the front if you want. I'm going to keep it exactly as it is. And to take this derivative, we're going to use two rules. We have the product rule, which says that the derivative of a product of two functions, u and v, is equal to the derivative of u times v plus u times the derivative of v. And we're going to use a chain rule. And here's two versions of the chain rule. The derivative of u, which is a function of v of x, is equal to du dv times dv dx, which can also be written as u prime, the derivative of a u, which is a function of v of x, times v prime of x. Okay, so let's start by using the product rule. So notice that I have a product here. I have my u is cosine of 2x, and my v is 3 sine squared of 2x. So when I write this out using the product rule, I get the derivative of u of x times v of x plus u of x times the derivative of v of x. And then when I'm taking the derivatives of each of these functions, I'll be using the chain rule. So the derivative of cosine of 2x, you take the derivative of cosine is negative sine of 2x times the derivative of 2x, which is 2. So that's multiplied by my v of x plus cosine of 2 of x times the derivative of 3 sine squared 2x. That 3 as a constant just carries along. Derivative of sine squared would give me 2 sine of 2x. The derivative of sine is cosine of 2x, and the derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, and then you can simplify this. Bringing out the coefficients, I'm going to get negative 6 sine cubed 2x plus, here I have 3 times 2 times 2 gives me 12, sine 2x, and then cosine squared 2x. Now, it is possible to simplify this, possibly. You could rewrite it in a different format. You could factor out a 6 sine 2x, and that's going to leave you with a negative sine squared 2x plus cosine squared 2x. And it'd be, you could write that in terms of all sines then, because we know that cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. So you can convert one of those sine squareds into terms concerning cosine squareds, or vice versa. But I'm just going to leave it like this. So this is one way that you could have answer 2 written, and it is considered simplified.